My name is Sadia Mashdani and I'm a final year student in Manufacturing and Design Engineering honors degree.
My name is Sadiq Mohammed and I'm a final year student in Manufacturing and Design Engineering.
Everything we touch and use in our daily lives has to be designed and manufactured. Example of these products would be computers, phones, cars, and manufacturing design engineers would be mostly involved in the product or the design of a manufacturing process.
In the early years of the program, the basic maths and science are covered. But then in year 3, there's a substantial emphasis on design. This gives opportunity for students to get involved in the Formula Student Activity, which is where universities get the chance to design their own Formula car. This year it was an electric vehicle, which you get to design your own and race against other universities. So this gives opportunity for students to get involved as part of the module and also to further develop it in your final year project in year 4. In 4th year, the modules become more industry focused. For example, you have microsystem and microfabrication module, and also my favorite, which is medical devices module. We also do other modules in the area of robotic and automation, and these all have laboratory activities. And the school recently got a whole new laboratory, fully kitted out with robotic equipment and also simulation software.
I got into this course through automation engineering, which is a level 7 degree. It's 3 years, and I had the option to carry on to either mechanical engineering or manufacturing and design engineering. So I chose manufacturing and design engineering. That's just an additional 2 years. So in total, after I graduate from this degree, I've finished 5 years, but earned a level 7 degree and a level 8 degree. And the reason why I chose manufacturing and design engineering is purely because I'm very interested in the design aspects of products and how you can have a vision and make that come to life through softwares and sketches, which I really like since I done arts in secondary school and engineering, where I really love to sketch and to design products.
As a graduate of level 7 mechanical engineering, you get the opportunity to progress in your education further in level 8 mechanical engineering or level 8 manufacturing and design engineering. The reason I did manufacturing and design engineering is the wide variety of modules it has and also the hands-on laboratory activities.
My final year project is researching anodizing, and in specific researching the benefits of anodizing on titanium versus aluminium for the medical implants.
In 4th year, major projects are undertaken which often have links with industry. For my final year project, I'm working on an automated guided vehicle which will be implemented in the robotic workshop. This robot will move in and out of the robot workshop and act as a material handling device.
There has always been plenty of postgraduate opportunities, so that's either by research or carrying on an additional year to finish a master's.
There are a lot of opportunities out there for students to get hired immediately, and even before finishing, you can apply for graduate programs where you have the opportunity to get hired before finishing the actual program.
Examples of fields manufacturing design engineering students ended up in after graduating would be pharmaceutical, medical devices and food, where the manufacturing design engineer would be involved in the process, the automated process, rather than the product itself. What I really like about this degree is that it involves a lot of theory and practical, and the practical side gives you a lot of experience in using the tools and the machines that are actually involved in the industry, so they're not new to you once you graduate and you start working.